Hi guys, welcome to this session in Power Automate. In this module I want to show you how you can use Power Automate to create several flows to automatically post to Twitter from YouTube, to Blogger from YouTube, or from Blogger when you create a WordPress post. So a couple of different options, you'll get the idea how this works. So first of all, on this Office 365 screen I need to get Power Automate. That opens up, and then you've got some preset options that you can use. These are just giving you ideas of where you can start from. If you come down, you've got some training options there, but my flows are on this left hand side. If I go there, you can see the flows that I've already created, and if I just go back to home, if you want to create a new one, you've got this create button, and when you click on create, it gives you some template options where people have already created these types of flow before. Now, rather than scrolling all the way through all of these, you've got lots and lots of different things. You can just search for something up the top there. So if I go YouTube, so I want to go from YouTube, and then it will give me that option, just YouTube connector. And then you've got these three options here: when a video is uploaded by a channel, when I upload a video, and then when a new video matches a search. Well, I want this one. Now, there was a template I could have used to send this to Twitter, but I'll just go for this one. Okay, so what I now need to do is go a new step, and then what I want to search for now is Twitter. There it is. So I'll click on Twitter and then post a tweet. Twitter, that's what I want to do. And then you've got some options to fill in here. So if I click in there, you get this dynamic content. So what do I want here? This is what I can have. Basic stuff. So I want video web link, hyperlink to the video. Before that, I want some text. Now you can put some text in here. If I use the template option, it's already got check out my new video, but it doesn't give you the title. So what we've got here is this video information, web link, summary title. So I want the summary title to go in front of that. So now I've got the video, summary title, and then the web link. And that's all I want this to do. Now if I save that, I need to check that this is going to be okay. Now I've already logged onto these accounts, so hopefully if I click on check flow, it comes up with no errors. So now this, if I save that, this should now be part of my flows. If I go to flows, when I upload a video, post a tweet, 2 seconds. So every time I open or upload a video, it will post a tweet, and it will have the video title in that tweet, not just some generic text, which would have been the case if like I said, if I'd have gone for the template option. So now let's have a look at Blogger. What can I do for Blogger? So if I go back to create and let's search for Blogger, and this time let's see if there's a template option. When a new post is published, share on Twitter. So you could do that one. Post on Blogger when a new tweet is posted. Now then, let's go for that. So there we go, Twitter to Blogger. Now it's asking me, checking my credentials there. Look, so that's correct. That's my Twitter and that's my Blogger account. I'll click on continue, and then you've got the option here. So the top bit is okay. What you need to do is select your blog ID, which is this, and then it's going to have the tweet text and description. That's the dynamic content that's already in. Now if you wanted any additional content, you can select it from here. So I need to put from at It's Easy Training. That's what I need there. And then I need to check that. No errors. So basically, any text that's coming from this account will post on Blogger to this account with that information. So save that one and then go back to flows. That should be in there. Post on Blogger when a new tweet. So what I want to do now is I want to create a WordPress post when a Blogger post is updated. So I've got the one for YouTube, does a tweet, and then a tweet's created, it does a Blogger post. Now I want to create a Blogger post to a WordPress post. So I'll go to create. I'm going to do this one from blank because there's not what I want is not a template at the minute. So this is the one I'm going to choose, and I'm going to call it post to WordPress. And I don't need any of these, so I'm just going to skip that one. So I need the Blogger, type Blogger, that's what I want. When a post is created, yeah. So then I need to select the blog, so click in there, that's the blog. And I want it to be live. Now new step is going to be to WordPress, so I need to search for WordPress, create a post. So the site ID is It's Easy Training. The title of the post is going to be title of the blog, and the content is just going to be post content. The status is going to be publish. Save that. Do the flow check and make sure all the accounts are okay, there's no warnings there. So if I go back to my flows, so I've now got 3. Now all of these obviously could be added into one, but I just wanted to go through the process of creating simple flows so it's not too complicated. So when I upload a video, it will do a tweet. When I do a tweet, it will post onto Blogger. When I get a new Blogger post, it will create a WordPress post. So that's basically a very simplistic way of how Power Automate can work for you in your business or in your personal life. So hopefully this video was of use to you. I thank you for your time, and I'll catch you on the next one.